Another day, another park. This one is just north of my house, and it's also got a playground, and Phoenix is really enjoying that one, although she's making funny noises. And then for dinner we went to the restaurant for a veggie burger, and then I unboxed my Happy Planner stickers. So those are just very motivational, and they also keep me organized because you've got the little squares where you can write stuff in. Got them from Michaels. So there's the first pack, and then the second pack. That one's more seasonal, so you know, keeps me entertained and motivated throughout the year. So that's all the pretty stickers, and they're gonna go in my Happy Planner, which is the one I've always been using. So there we are, we're looking at the monthly dividers. Create the life of your dreams. Life blooms out of a hopeful heart. Count your lucky stars. I totally need lucky stars. Next one, bloom where you're planted. This one is bloom, and I totally need to bloom. Do what makes you happy. Totally agree, 100%. And then that was in the summer, just something pretty. Next month, trust the timing of your life. And then this one is life blooms out of a hopeful heart. We've had that one before, but that's okay. And then Halloween month, October. I love it. Give thanks. Thanksgiving month, I guess. And then that's Christmas month. Just some Christmas tree lights. And you get a monthly layout and a vertical one. And then we went to the mall for a few errands. And I was like super excited because it looked like storm clouds or like snow clouds. But absolutely nothing happened. But I was still excited, so there I was filming away. Then we went to Walmart again, and we bought some bread, some shrimps, some broccoli, and a few other ingredients for dinner, and some chocolate croissants, and that was for Lily, my snake. And some self-care products. I got some hair stuff because my hair is really dry right now, and some body wash. And then we splurged and we got a PlayStation charging station, so there's that. And that's a gift for my friend, the Disney Stitch, and that's a collectible as well. So here you go, that's my dinner, shrimp, broccoli, and some rice, and it was really yummy. Have a good night.